This video is brought to you by Sailrite. Visit Sailrite.com for all your project supplies, tools, and instructions.
In this video, we're going to show you how to use the twist lock and lift the dot cloth-to-cloth stud hand punch. These twist lock fasteners have two prongs on the bottom side and a washer, and this tool punches holes for them. It also punches holes for the two-prong lift the dot stud, and it goes around a round washer. Here we have a double hem, in other words 3 layers of Sunbrella marine grade fabric, and we're going to place the Sailrite cutting block and die holder underneath that hem to help protect the tool as we punch holes through our fabric. So now we position our hole punch so that the holes are vertical from the hemmed edge as shown here. Then we give it a few blows with a mallet, maybe one is all that's necessary, and that punches the prongs for each one of these studs. Now we can insert our twist lock fastener with the two prongs through the slits that the hole cutter created. Then place our washer on the back side as shown here. You can use a screwdriver, but the prong bending tool for the twist lock fastener or the lift the dot fastener works great for these. It has a cavity on the end of the tool that helps to hold that prong in position as you bend the prong over the washer. Once the prongs are bent over the washer, your twist lock is now installed. Now the process for the lift the dot stud is done exactly the same way. The prongs will go vertical to the hemmed edge as shown here. One punch with the Berry King mallet, and we have holes cut for the lift the dot stud. And then on the back side, the washer, the concave trough of the washer faces the fabric, while the raised trough faces up. Place it over the prongs, and then we'll use our prong bending tool yet again to bend the prongs over that washer. Now with the eyelet, the stud works for a cloth-to-cloth application like that, and the lift the dot like that. So the lift the dot does not come undone except for if you pull on the top, and the twist lock doesn't come undone unless you twist the top and pull it off.
Visit Sailrite.com for the twist lock and lift the dot hand punch. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call or email. We're glad to help.